Plum Crazy Gang, we're back, and today's a little different. We're at my friend James' house. We got the G here. We're about to do some work to it. We're about to try to install my little LED banner that I've been wanting to do for a little minute, so let's just see what we get into. We got a gang with us. What up, Jay?
Yeah, niggas.
And we got Mr. Slush himself.
Howdy.
What we got going on over here?
This broke. This broke.
So we're starting this video.
First thing of the day, this wire popped out.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
Yeah. So
Invalid.JP, you did not do good on this.
I'm gonna do what I can to get it back in.
We're gonna see what we can do. We might be able to get this done.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. We might get this done. We might not. If not, hey, we tried, right? And it's raining outside today. Look at Jay looking clean out there. Clean in the rain. My man got, look at this. I need a carport, bro. Like, I don't have a carport at my house. Got his sexy G right here. Something sexy underneath there. What's over there peeking? Beamer. The sexy Lexi. Then we got the good old probe.
Helps.
Yeah. We got something.
Just letting it cool down a little bit more, but we might have got something.
Might have got something worked out.
Let us pray. Holy Mother of God and sweet Jesus Christ.
This is not the best solder for the job. We're doing what we got.
I got a wiki pulled up if in case that didn't work.
Some real tight shit, but I think we
This is
really shit cool
what car guys go through when we're trying to make our cars look fun at night.
Let's go see.
Let's go see.
We have pulled up.
Oh.
Okay, so it was on. Okay. So we are back to square almost one. I need to finish this off. I'm gonna seal it off and finish it off. But like before we did all that, you know what I'm saying?
Hey bro, good job.
And it's not like, you know what I'm saying, I can wiggle it around a little bit.
You ain't gonna yeet it out, are you?
No, I'm not gonna.
Can it handle this? Snip.
Let them cook.
Not really accepting the gentle persuasion.
Yeah.
I don't know if the I tugged on it. That feels like there's a solid glob of glue.
Yeah, so I'm like, I don't think it's any places there from all the videos that I've seen.
Yeah, like it's rubbing cabbage.
Just know you break, you buy.
You break, you buy.
Oh no.
Just pull it up. You don't need it here. Just part. Close it.
Well, we thought we were gonna hardwire it. Looks like we're not.
We cannot do that.
It's too hard to do in this car. Thanks, Infinity. You suck. You had one job. Make our jobs easier, Infinity. And what did you do? You made it harder.
Moved it.
Had to come for a progress update. I'm editing video. Oh, my whole back seat is out.
Out here.
Yeah, it's right here.
Hi, backseat. How are you? All right, let's see what we got. What we got? Where we at? Where we at?
Where's the wire?
Where is the wire?
That spot with my little wire.
Where is the wire, guys? I'm not seeing said wire besides up here.
It's up top, waiting for the strip.
Okay.
I got it to go kind of down under your seat. There's two small spots.
Okay.
Right down. I'll get out of the way, but basically around the seatbelt portion of it.
Oh, okay.
Two little small spots. I still have a few pieces to put back.
Don't mind my back seat, guys. This spot got some bleach in it like a long time ago. My mom had the car, so whatever, it is what it is.
And the little mat will go back in.
Yeah.
Cover it right back
Yeah,
up.
the mat will go right back over it. You'll never know it was there. So this is the most you guys are ever gonna see inside my damn car. We're making progress. I'm in the process of editing a video, so I'm gonna get back to it.
I don't know. It's all back together now. You can look at it. You know what I'm saying?
It's all back together now?
For the most part, yeah. We just have to install the tape to put the dude up. But like
seats back in.
Together, you know what I'm saying?
Why my little seatbelt? My seatbelts look like that. I'm playing. You gotta put her up now. Okay. And plug her in and see how she works.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Let's turn it on real quick and see how she works before we stick it to the glass.
Oh yeah, let's do that. I didn't know I was supposed to press the switch.
Press it.
We working? Hey, I see lights. Hey, it looks like it's just sliding against the glass right now. That's pretty cool.
I can't get it past. You see how there's like the bump right there?
Yeah.
It can't fit down here.
Okay.
It needs to be the lowest I can go is like
right
is
here?
right. Yeah, it's like right up.
That's cool.
Starting there. Okay.
That's cool.
So you want it basically as low as I can go?
Yeah, as low as you can go.
And do you want it like as far over as I can try to do it?
Yes.
Okay.
I think it'd be like an inch or two up will honestly probably help.
Yeah, it'll probably
like,
help with visibility for sure. So yeah, I couldn't speak. Sorry guys. But look at that. It's finally finna go up.
Oh, I got you.
Look at my man's 240 over here.
You got gadgets, gizmos, woo-wangs.
Yeah, doodads and ding-dongs. Hey, they hope you know that glove is an extra 10 horsepower, which y'all don't know. But
The Michael Jackson glove.
this is beautiful though, bro.
Thank you.
Beautiful. It's still a 2J. It's still a 2J. It don't matter. It don't matter what it needs. It's still a 2J. You want to cause a panic? Hide your freaking 3M tape behind your headrest and go search for it for 20 freaking minutes.
God damn.
Golly. This crap. All right, so
Getting the seat back in. Hold on,
Oh, my bad.
No, you good. I'm good. Okay.
The red and black stickers I got some to change up the emblems on my car, and they did not end up really working out because they weren't the right sizes, so like they would kind of go out of the fitment zone for where you put them in, like with the white and blue. Like I would try so hard to fit it in between there and it wouldn't fit, and I'm that OCD guy that like
if it don't fit, bro, yeah, that's how
I see like a little bit of blue or a little bit of white, that shit's cooked.
If you know what he's talking about, you know what I feel about my car then.
It's like if you took something from like a Q50, if you took like the grill emblem from a Q50, Tyler's Q50's emblem lit up in the dark.
And see, yeah, I really do want to emblem that lights
you
up.
100%.
But I don't know how it's gonna fit on that grill.
I got an emblem that lights up.
There's probably.
I know you do.
There's probably one.
It's not from no Q nothing. It's from eBay.
Yeah. So apparently the 3M tape I bought will not stick to this either, and the stuff that they sent didn't stick to it either. So we're gonna try to find some glue to get this on here, and then we're gonna try to get this up somehow. What is it? Is this glue? Wow, out of everything what it is, rear view mirror adhesive. Why is it so specific to what we're trying to do?
Technically, it's
Call
like a rearview mirror.
Call permatex.
I'm like, it might work.
That's what I got so far.
It might work. I really don't care because it's going on the banner, not my window.
I just have to go pay like 20 to 25 for a fully built car. What's the fun? It's a 240. Like, how did they even do this? Like, what did they even do? I feel like just looking at this bike dude, they're retarded sometimes. I hate to say it, but any vehicle that you can get for like less than like $8,000,
Why does it turn off like that? Like, why does the screen turn off?
Because your face is too close to the screen. Because it thinks you're looking through the viewfinder.
So you got. That's why you always like this.
That's why I be a far away
That's why you always like this, bro.
Going on a little food run with
on the presidential side today. Max said bye.
Look, yeah, we
Show for spot. Max said bye.
Yeah.
Max is gone.
Yeah.
leaving. Oh damn.
Gone.
Reduced to atoms.
Oh.
Will, do you know where the Dollar General is?
No.
20 minutes later.
We got it on there finally after a lot of work, determination, and super glue. But the 3M tape is now on. We got the strip on. We can now change it up, do many different things. Everything that you see here we can download and add on there. It's kind of dark over there, but there it is, my guy. I appreciate you, James. Come on down to come on down to Garza's Garage. We're gonna get you right. But yeah, we can do all types of stuff. Fake taxi. Ooh.
Fake taxi.
Fake taxi. That is not good. That is not good, but thank you for tuning into this episode of Our Shenanigans.
Plum Crazy Gang.
Plum Crazy Gang.
Plum Crazy Gang.
Stay slushed up.
Stay slushed up, guys. Subscribe to the channel.
Oh, you slow.
Until next time, deuces.